If you really want to solve a problem, the first thing you need to do is to understand the problem in every way possible. Climate change is the most important problem we are confronting. We need to do a lot to save the Earth and our future generations, but we also need to know exactly what is happening around us if we really want to make a change. Thanks to this class, I was able to inform me more about topics related to climate change and what can I do to really make a positive impact. Well, on the first partial project, I could learn more about climate change, specifically about the causes and consequences of the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. I also learned that governments and corporations only care about economic and political issues. They don't care about climate change, and they will lie to us or even offer us anything to stop our complaining. Nowadays, money is more valuable than the truth. And finally, in the investigation of my first evidence, I learned how to recognize the difference between environmental campaigns that really want to create a positive impact and the campaigns that only use the topic of climate change to attract more people to gain popularity or money. All the things I learned in this semester were achieved by staying motivated in class, by doing investigations about ecological campaigns or terms like slacktivism or greenwashing, and by watching the documentaries related to these topics. In this last period full of interviews, I asked questions to the professionals who accompany us. When I analyzed the answers they gave me, I obtained a bigger and clearer picture of the topics we talked about. The easiest part of my process of learning was to stay motivated in this class. What I mean with this is that I really like these kind of subjects, so I was always focused on class so I could learn new things with no problem. On the other hand, the hardest part of my process of learning was to obtain good information for my essays. I was forced to stop searching in normal websites. If I wanted to obtain true and accurate information on the internet, I had to read professional investigation essays. It is not hard to find them, but it takes time to fully understand this text. And finally, the most innovative part of my process of learning was to start analyzing in a deep way the opinions of others about these subjects. As I said earlier, this allowed me to understand the topic in a deep way. The only thing I can improve to upgrade my way of learning is by starting to investigate in a better way. To achieve this, I will start to consult and read professional essays more frequently. With this, I will be able to understand them in a better way and to obtain more information of them. With the knowledge I acquired in this semester, now I can stop being fooled by greenwashing and I can recognize when a campaign is truly doing something to help the environment. In addition, I can motivate others to inform themselves better about topics of climate change and to recognize how they can help in a correct way to solve this problem. In conclusion, my thesis statement is confirmed. If you understand a problem in every way, you have a bigger picture of the solution. With the knowledge I acquired in this semester, now I know the correct way to start helping the environment. I promise that I will put new eco-friendly habits on my daily life and I will inform others about the consequences of climate change. Tell them how they can effectively help to solve this problem, and I will motivate them to start taking an interest in this life or death situation. I say this a lot of times, but if we really want to solve this climate change, we need to do it together. There is no other way.